Hello, I'm Shemaine from Natural Baby Shower, and today we'll be looking at the Nuna PIPA Urban in a little more detail. Let's have a look. The Nuna PIPA Urban weighs 3.3 kg. It can be used from birth up to 12 months, which is approximately 40 centimeters to 75 centimeters. On the inside, the insert and headrest are made from merino wool, which has natural fire retardant properties, and it's very soft to the touch. It has a 3-point harness and UPF 50+ sun canopy. It also has hidden away a snooze shade, which you can use to protect baby from any sun, providing lots of shade and open mesh panels for ventilation. On the back of the canopy, if you lift this flap, again, you can see there's lots of mesh for ventilation. The Nuna PIPA Urban comes with the Isofix points already attached, so there's no need for an Isofix space. They're already on the car seat. All we have to do is connect into the car. So perfect for parents on the go or parents who are in and out of cars, in and out of taxis. So the maximum weight is 13 kg. It is TUV approved, means it has been approved to fly on aircrafts. The headrest has a few levels of adjustment, and it's also made of a Taylor Tech memory foam, helping baby stay in the most comfortable position. Nuna PIPA Urban is compatible with the Nuna Mix Next, the Nuna Triv Next, and the Nuna Travel. Again, all you'll need to do is add your correct adapters, pop them onto the chassis, and then add your car seat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to find out more information, you can log on to our website or book a virtual appointment with us. Alternatively, you can visit us in store. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.